Hey, what's up everyone? Wakas here. And listen, I need you to stop scrolling for just a second because what I'm about to show you, it's genuinely gonna change the way you use your Android phone. So your phone is hiding a bunch of ad kill switches right now, buried deep inside your settings. And honestly, your carrier, your phone manufacturer, even Google, they don't really want you finding these. Every single ad that pops up on your screen, every banner, every video ad, every ad that somehow follows you from one app to the next, like it's reading your mind. Yeah, all of it can be shut down permanently. And the best part, you don't need to download a single app to do it, not one. So grab your phone, follow along with me step by step, and by the end of this video, your phone's gonna feel like a completely different device. Alright, let's get into kill switch number 1, and I'm calling this one the Chrome backdoor. So open up Google Chrome right now, tap those three dots in the top corner, then go to settings, then tap site settings. Now here's the thing, most people open this menu, see one toggle and think they're done. They're not even close. And that's exactly why ads keep slipping through. So the first thing to check is pop-ups and redirects. Now this should already be blocked, but double check it anyway, because if it says allowed or sites can send pop-ups, yeah, that's exactly why you've been getting slammed with redirect ads every time you open a link. So flip that off immediately. Okay, now here's the part almost nobody talks about, and I mean nobody. Scroll down further until you see intrusive ads. Now on a lot of phones, this is set to blocked on some sites by default. Read that again, some sites, not all sites. So basically, Chrome is knowingly letting certain websites serve you ads that it already knows are misleading or flat out dangerous. Yeah, so tap into that setting and flip it to block on sites known to show intrusive or misleading ads. One more thing while you're in here, go back to site settings and tap on notifications. Switch that to not allow sites to send notifications. Because you know those random spam ads that show up in your notification tray pretending to be something important? That's exactly where they come from. And now they're gone for good. Alright, let's move on to kill switch number 2. And honestly, this one is the nuclear option because that's exactly what it is. So every Android phone comes with a unique advertising ID attached to it. Think of it like a digital fingerprint stuck to your device. And Google takes that fingerprint and sells it to advertisers so they can track basically everything about you, what you search, what apps you open, what websites you scroll through. And then they use all of it to build your profile and blast you with specific ads. So here's how you burn that fingerprint completely. Go to settings, then Google, or on some phones it's Google services. Tap all services and then go to ads. Now you'll see a few toggles in there. Tap Reset Advertising ID and confirm it. Then tap Delete Advertising ID and confirm that too. And just like that, your entire old tracking profile gets wiped out. Google assigns you a brand new blank ID with zero history attached to it, which means from this point on, advertisers have absolutely nothing on you. And that's it. Those are three of the biggest ad kill switches hiding on your phone right now. So if this just saved you from another week of getting bombarded with garbage ads, smash that like button and subscribe. It genuinely helps this video reach more people just like you. I'll catch you in the next one.